Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vegan Brie. If you're new here, I post all things vegan and cruelty-free beauty. We're going to be doing a look with the new Ethereal Palette from Gourmande Girls. I'm so excited. I just filmed eye swatches, so I have like sparkle kind of everywhere, but that is going to be the first video. My cats are playing. That is going to be the first video that you see, but let's get primed and let's get started. Alright, so today I think I'm going to use the shade Radiance in Dreamin', and I want to also use the shade Lucent. I'm kind of in a I've seen a couple people, now this is new, so it just launched literally today, well August 9th, whenever I'm posting this. So I have seen a couple people that are drawn to the blues. Of course I am too, but I want to kind of do something different. I'm drawn to all these, to be honest, but I thought we could do like an orangey look. So yeah, my cat's gonna be playing in the background. I have 2 kittens. So I'm gonna be using the Spectre palette from Gourmande just for mattes, because this is an all shimmer duochrome multichrome palette. So good, so good, so good. I got you. I'm gonna do somewhat wearable look. We'll see. Hello, you're at the top of my chair. I know. Okay, orange. Oh, excuse me. Hello. She's on my back right now. Hello. Hey. Here. I'm gonna sit with mommy. Oh. I'm gonna say hello. Hi, Isa. Baby. Making a cameo. Hi. Oh, she's scared of my dog. It's okay. It's okay, baby. It's okay, baby. Okay, now they're back to playing. Okay. You got a cute little cat cameo. Okay. Orange Crush. Orange, but like you can make it like an orangey brown. Just buffing this with a Lunar Beauty LBE1 brush, big fluffy brush, whatever. Just trying to like blend this out, have it be really blended and kind of like light. All right, and then I'm gonna use shade Sunkissed in my crease and like, I don't know, maybe outer corner with a ColourPop E18 brush. It's almost like an E25 brush from Sigma. Just directly in my crease. Just add a little bit of dimension before I put the shimmers on. Very impressed so far. You guys. All right, now into the fun part. Okay, so I'm gonna do Dream and then Radiance. Yeah. Dream, Radiant. I put some NYX glitter glue on. Sometimes I don't, sometimes I do. Usually I do. Okay, I'm gonna use my finger because that's usually how I do it. Oh my God. So pretty, so beautiful. It looks so different in the pan than it does in my eye, which I really like. And also, when it comes to duochromes and multichromes, it depends what you pair it with. So, like it. Very little fallout. I mean, and then I wanted to put a little bit of purple in my outer corner. I'm thinking about maybe Exquisite. Okay. They're all blending in amazing together. I expected nothing less because I have 7 palettes from Gourmande Girls and they all are amazing. All right, so I added some liner. I used the shades Lunar, which is like the blue, and then I like the blue purple, like the deeper blue. I used Nova a little bit on the inner part, and then I used was it indigo or astrid? So yeah, and now we're gonna do, so I did brows, my face, obviously. I've not done highlighter though. I haven't decided if I'm gonna use pure or lucent. I don't know. I don't usually do colored highlighters, but I haven't really decided what I'm doing for my lower lash line. I am gonna use, of course, an LA Girl eyeliner like I always do. This is in the shade Ocean. I thought we could match like the blue on top. I would like doing a fun pop for eyeliner. So yeah, I'm just gonna use a little blue. You guys know I love these eyeliners, and if you don't, I love these eyeliners. They're really good, cheap, and they go on super easily. And they have like, I don't even know how many colors, tons. I think I have like 10. My cats are playing. I like doing shimmers on the lower lash line. I don't know, it's like a little pop. I could do like the green, that'd be kind of cool. I could do, playing with a box, I could do like ethereal, or we could just do purple on the lower lash line. There's so many things I could do. It's hard like when you're using like a new palette, because I'm like, I don't know, I'm like, I want to do everything, you know? I want to play with everything. This palette is just so, like, there's so many directions you can go with it too. All right, I'm gonna, sorry my nose is a little dry. I used like a retinol yesterday and I think it kind of dried out last night. So I think we're gonna use, it's like purple or green, purple or green. Let's do both. Hold on. How about that? We're gonna do Shangri-La on the outer part. I need to get a better brush for this. There we go. That's pretty, right? And then let's do, I'm thinking like, there's so many things to do with this. I definitely want to use Astrid, and then pure. I'm either gonna be pure or lucid in the inner. I'm either gonna be pure or lucid in the inner corner. I don't know. I'm like, just like, ugh. Be prepared to see lots and lots of looks for this, because I'm pretty excited. I'm pretty excited. Okay, and then we're gonna use. Actually, you know what? We're gonna use ethereal. Oh my god. Ooh, this is creamy. Okay. Oh yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. Yes, 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 yes. It was a good decision. And then let's use a little bit of, you know what? That's where we're gonna put lucid. Oh. Okay. All right, and then the, oh my god, like what? So pretty. Okay, I guess we're gonna do pure on the inner corner. Oh my god, like I haven't even wet any of these, by the way. Like this is just like how they are. Come as you are. So I want you to be. Let me know if you know who that is. Huge fan. I will be right back. I'm gonna do the other eye. All right, let's get up all close and personal. I'm wearing through mascara. It's not like I'm extra or anything. Okay, so I'm gonna use, I guess we're gonna do lucent and pure. Why did I say it like that? Lucent and pure. Okay, ready? Ready? Oh, yeah. Glow. You for real? Oh my god, we need to like, oh yeah. Okay. Where am I going today? Nowhere. Picking up my kids after, you know, school. Oh my god. Oof. Woo. Woo. Okay. Ooh. I think I'm gonna have to use a little bit of pure. Just a boop boop. Definitely very sparkly, but pretty. I mean, this palette, yeah, I'm gonna say it's pretty necessary. I'm gonna say it's pretty necessary. So, okay, let's go over everything that I used today. So, pure on the inner corner. Let's get all up close, okay? I promise I'm gonna start using a camera instead of my phone, because this is getting a little ridiculous. Okay, so pure on my inner corner. I don't think I used Astra today. Exquisite on my outer corner, but I kind of blended it, and obviously it's shifty. Radiance on the middle part of my lid. Dream on the inner part of my lid. Lunar for eyeliner, as well as Indigo, and Nova a little bit in the inner part. So like Nova, Indigo, Lunar mostly, and then everything on top. And then on the lower lash line we have Shangri-La, and then we have Ethereal on the middle, and then Lucent, and then Lucent as a highlighter, and then a little bit of pure. So I use everything but Emerge and Astrid. So yeah, which I'm definitely going to use, obviously. But I just wanted to do some kind of, you know, this palette you can have a lot of fun with, like I did today, or you can just do like a neutral look, which I was kind of trying to do, but I was like, you know what, I'm going to do this, okay? So yeah, this is $54. I'll put the price right here. And you can use my discount code or some of my friends' discount codes for 10% off. Mine is Brie10 if you want. Thank you so much. I really, really appreciate it if you do. If you don't, that's also fine. You can support one of my peoples, or even the owner too, who's an amazing person. She is all vegan, cruelty-free brand, small business in Texas, Austin, Texas actually. She's a Latina-owned, women-owned company, and she's just amazing. She makes bomb products. I mean, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 other palettes. I love all of them. So you really can't go wrong. But I mean, this, God, this is, so she has 3 all shimmer palettes. You really can't go wrong. But I personally think if you're more of a neutral lover, I think that this palette, I think this is my favorite packaging. So just to sum up this video, I highly recommend this palette. Not a dud. Everything is fantastic. Neutral lovers, color lovers, I think everyone's going to like this. So yeah, I recommend getting it. All right. So anyways, be prepared to see a lot more looks. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, subscribe, and comment down below your favorite shade. And I'll see you in my next one. Thanks, guys. Bye.